Celia and Kurt are chatting together during their lunch break.
So, have you heard the latest gossip?
No, what's the scoop?
Megan has another boyfriend. His name is Paul, and he's visiting from White Rock.
Really? Megan sure gets around.
I know. Hey, there's Kim. I've got to run.
See you. Megan sees Kurt sitting alone.
Hey, Kurt, mind if I join you?
Not at all. Hey, you just missed Celia. She just left to see Kim.
Ah, Celia and Kim, they're birds of a feather.
What do you mean by that?
Well, don't get me wrong, I like them both. It's just that they both tend to say things that they shouldn't. They like to gossip. Why are you turning red all of a sudden?
Kurt confesses that he's just heard some gossip about Megan from Celia.
What? She said what?
So it's not true?
Of course it's not true. Paul and I are just friends. What on earth made her think of such a thing?
I have no idea.
Would you do me a favor? Next time she starts gossiping, can you tell her to mind her own business? If she doesn't change her ways, then I'll find it impossible to be friends with her.
I can understand that. I'm sorry that I listened to her before.